if you have to choose a guy like me, and then all of a sudden the lyricist or the Sayari guy forgets everything. Hey people, today is 26th of July 2024 and look at me with this, a towel in my hand, with a cap in my hand. And look at the weather out here, people. It's really scorching hot. And my brothers, they have gone for a crab hunting. So I'm gonna take my beast with me, join them, take a dip into the natural stream, and then just be in touch with nature. The girls are helping me with this vlog. I promised them. Hello, it's Simran and it's Sandhya and it's Srishti. Oh, S-Cube. So next time I shall take them to the same stream that I'm going right now. Finally, it's time to join the pack. Let's see what's being cooked, people. This is nature. I said we'll be in touch with nature.
Rice is cooked already.
The food is cooked.
Barbecue, everything done here already.
Done already.
This is all here we brought from house. And the last item is going on here.
What's that, Rokri? Hello, Rokri.
Chicken curry. Hello, how are you?
This
I'm
we
doing
made
good.
in banana leaf we made this.
Here, with the
Roast
duck,
in banana leaf.
duck
this
ki
is
chicken.
Chicken. This is duck.
Duck, we had prepared 2 items of duck.
But everything is
Sekwa
done now
and
and guys are
dry fry.
enjoying that.
So I missed everything.
We have missed duck,
Okay,
duck sekwa,
okay,
duck dry fry,
okay.
and the main item is crab.
Wait, do we not have any remainings of crab? So that I could show to my viewers some remainings of crab.
No, we don't have anything of the crab. So what can we show is, you can see photos, you can upload
Later.
photos later.
Okay, that's great.
Brought from
Malaysia.
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 Malaysia. Oh my God,
Guys.
all the way from Malaysia. Oh my
imported
God.
glass. If you want this type of glass, please
Contact
him.
me.
Address
Mr.
will not be
Rokri.
given, okay?
Hat from Singapore.
From
Oh
Singapore.
my God, so beautiful hat. All the way from Singapore, handmade.
Woven, yeah, hand woven. I don't know what's that.
So let me introduce to our group or the pack of wolves. Prabhakar sir, and then Uttam sir, and then Upas sir, and Suju sir. Also, he is our Arpan sir. In order to add beauty to this place or beauty to this environment, let's have a song from Prabhakar sir. Without that, this whole thing is incomplete. No, Prabhakar sir, please, at least few lines. At least few lines to add beauty to this
No, actually,
moment.
no song, but today maybe I'll try one
Sayari.
Nepali Sairi.
Okay, let's go with the Nepali Sayari.
And the title says, Sairi, Sirsak,
Sirsak.
Hey Maya.
Oh my God. Hey love.
Hey love.
Hey love. Look here, Arpan sir is enjoying. Me, I'm just totally in nature, people. So you wrote it yourself?
Yeah, myself.
Oh, that means sir is in love. People, love is in the air, man. Oh my God. Love is in the air. Okay, so let's go. Hey Mary Maya. Hey Maya.
Hey Maya. Hey Maya. Khero nafala hai timro jovan.
Oh my God. So if I have to put it down in English, then don't throw your youth.
No, do
Their
not
love-
waste your.
do not waste your
your love.
Throw away gives a
Yeah,
different meaning.
affection,
Nita.
yeah.
Jovan.
Jovan
Okay.
means
Youth.
youth life क्या अब हुन्छ नि
Ah.
हे माया खेरो नफाला है तिम्रो जौवन सुन्दरता भनेको त आज छ भोलि हुन्न
Oh my God, beauty.
सुन्दरता भनेको त आज छ भोलि हुन्न
Okay, let me just translate this much. Beauty is for today,
Yeah.
not for tomorrow.
It's unpredictable.
It's unpredictable.
Beauty is temporary.
Beauty is temporary.
हे माया खेरो नफाला है तिम्रो जौवन सुन्दरता भनेको त आज छ भोलि हुन्न त्यसैले तिमीले यस्तै ठिटो म जस्तो ठिटोलाई छानेर बनाऊ है मेरो एउटा जीवनको सहारा किनभने छान्दा चान्दै त्यो बिर्सेँ नि हौ सर मैले
That's very bad. Actually, the Sayariya was going something like that. Hey Maya, if you have to choose a guy like me, and then all of a sudden the lyricist or the Sayari guy forgets everything. How could this happen, man? So if you have to choose, you need to choose a guy like me. That was the meaning that was coming out. He needs to remember our lover is stuck, man. Our lover is. It seems he's not in true love. Hey, kya jokes on? No. Hey, we are in the middle of Sayari jokes here. How can that be possible? No. Yeah, you need to complete it, or else you are not a true lover.
Oh, yes.
You are a dhabba in the name of love. If you don't complete this, you are a dhabba in the name of love. So don't be that. So please. Hey, the lover boy needs a phone, man. Come on, man. This is shameful. Come on, Rokri, the lover boy. Lover boy needs an energy drink. So to be precise, I want to show the lover boy does not drink. So let's be precise. The lover boy does not drink. Lover boy, please show. Otherwise, my viewers might take out a wrong meaning of it. Lover boy, please show. Lover boy, please show that. So that the viewers don't take a wrong meaning of it. So our lover boy does not drink. People even, I'm enjoying this. Wow. It's such a great feeling. People, this is nature. Your swimming pool does not have this feel, people. It's nature. To be with nature and in nature, it's a different feeling.
Revising the Sayari.
Hey, this is the same, man. This is the same. This is the same, people. This is a big same. How can a lover boy give up in the middle of the journey, man? Just like the beauty is short-lived, beauty is temporary. So,
Choose a guy like me.
choose a guy like me.
Choose a guy like
End of the story.
End of the
होइन
story.
एन्ड अफ द स्टोरी होइन क्या यो लास्टमा चाहिँ फेरि यसको फनी छ नि त ह्युमर छ
So let's go to it, Anta. You are not taking us to the conclusion only, Anta.
Maya is watching.
Maya is watching.
Maya is watching. Please do it for Maya.
माया खेरो नखाला है
Okay, we'll not disturb.
सुन्दरता भनेको त आज छ भोलि हुन्न त्यसैले म जस्तो ठिटोलाई सौँपिदिहालै तिम्रो जौवन अन्यथा मासु छान्दा छान्दा हड्डीमा पर्ला है
Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So finally we got the conclusion. So when Maya or the love is trying to find true love, which is if you have to substitute it, it's meat. So when Maya is looking for meat, she might end up with bones. Wow!
No. The line wants to say is that don't go for choosy so many, don't go for choosy and also many times.
Don't be so much choosy.
Yeah, don't be so choosy. Yeah?
You might end up getting a bone or a useless guy.
There one saying.
छान्दा पर्ला है हड्डीमा तिम्रो
Hello. प्रभाकरले कसलाई चाहिँ मेसेज दियो है यो मेसेज दियो.
I think there is a saying that perfectly fits in this scenario. That
Okay,
is,
what's that?
In search of gold, you lost a diamond.
Oh!
माछा खोज्दा खोज्दा भ्यागुटा
भेट्ला माछा खोज्दा मायाले भ्यागुता भेट्ला भिडियो GTA